don't know why. What's up, guys? Squink here. I used to be a cop. I don't do that anymore. But what I do is these videos every single day where I walk in blindly to a brand new video without any fancy transitions, nothing like that. And I use my law enforcement experience to give you a real-time reaction, unfiltered, to these situations. And to answer the age-old question of, what the hell are the cops doing? What the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to answer those questions and whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Police Activity. It is titled, 2 San Jose police officers shot during gun battle with armed suspect in a hotel hallway. Whew. Never seen it before. Let's jump in.
What's up, man? Oh, gotta go that way.
How you doing?
Can we stay here?
Maybe. I'm waiting for my girl.
What room does she live in?
The next one over there?
Oh, okay.
Hey, can I stop you?
Yes,
sir.
Sounds like police department.
Yeah. All right. Just hang tight with us real quick. Yes, sir.
He's unzipping that bag. Like,
Cool. Can I just give her a call? Like, sorry. Who a call? My girl? Who's your girl? She's in there. What's her name?
sketchy, dude. This is so sketchy. Why are they not addressing this?
Can I give her a call? Is it Boo?
Not right now.
Oh, come on, boss. It's, please. Hey, stop. Hold on, just hold on.
Wow.
Oh, God, I'm hit. I'm hit. Oh. You okay? I'm hit. Shots fired.
Were those all the suspects rounds?
HMA. He's running downstairs right now.
I'm hit.
Where?
What? Oh, God, I can't move.
On the third floor of the apartment complex.
How you doing? You got your way, sir.
Can you stay here?
Maybe. I'm waiting for my girl.
What room does she live in?
The next one over there? Hey, can I stop you right here real quick? Yes, sir. Just drop your stuff. Yes, sir.
Sounds like police department.
This is the number one thing. He's asking to call his girlfriend, yet he's holding his phone. I don't know how the officer didn't pick up on that.
Just hang tight with us real quick. Yes, sir. Can I just give her a call or something? Is it cool? Sorry? Can I just give her a call? Like, sorry. Give who a call? My girl? Who's your girl? She's in there. What's her name? She's right there.
Yeah, I don't know how the officer isn't addressing the sketchy behavior.
Is it cool? Not right now. Oh, come on, boss. It's please. Okay, stop. Hold on.
Okay, so he is shooting back. The officer is shooting back.
You okay? I'm hit.
Imagine staying in this hotel and hearing that at 10:42 p.m.
Running downstairs right
Where are you shot? I'm hit.
Where?
What? Oh, God, I can't move.
Go that way.
How you doing? Got your way, sorry.
Can you stay here?
I'm waiting for my girl.
What room does she live in?
The next one over there?
So this is the female officer's body camera.
Can you wait with him? Sounds like police department. Hello. How's it going? So I believe you talked to my partner earlier. That was not good. Him? Okay. And who was he to you?
don't know why. I don't know why she was hiding in the hallway. That's my only beef with her right now. I don't know why she didn't immediately go into that hallway and at least peek around the corner and join the firefight.
60 yellow 4, shots fired.
You okay? Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired!
Central 3 unit suspect is an HMA. He's running down.
She does a good job of calling out where the suspect is.
Where?
What?
But like even right here, she's not really helping.
Hey! Hey! I got a guy over here. Hey, show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hands! Fucking hands! Okay, put it out, put it out. You got eyes on his right hand? Hey, hey, hold, everybody hold. I got rifle, I got lethal. Hey, you stay lethal on that side. Hey, I got hands, Stop, hold. Someone go less lethal. I'll go less lethal, I got less lethal.
He was shot. You can see the blood on him, on his hand.
Get the fuck on yourself. Get the fuck on yourself. Don't you fucking move. Don't fucking move. Stop fighting us.
I'm not her. I'm not fighting you.
Stop fucking fighting me.
I'm not fighting you. I'm not fighting you, sir. I'm not fighting you, sir.
Can I get handcuffs? Handcuffs, you. Torres, handcuffs. Put them on. You move, you're gonna get shot.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, they got him.
We gotta provide a time. Bring him out.
Where you hit?
Wow. Okay. Well, this guy's a piece of shit. Holy smokes. Okay, I think all the officers did really good job. Well, I take that back. The moment he starts digging around in that bag and saying he needs to call his girlfriend while his phone is clearly in his hand, the officer should have immediately been like, quit digging in your bag, because the officer did say, hey, you put your stuff down. And this guy did not. Actually, he started digging in his bag. So not only did he not listen, but he's starting to dig in his bag. That's an officer safety concern. And it was not addressed immediately. I don't think it would have mattered, because I think the moment he addressed it, it would have played out the way it did anyway. The female officer, I don't know why she I mean, I can understand gunfire is scary, but you have a duty to stop the threat. So I don't know why she didn't peek behind that corner and join the firefight. I really don't. It looked like she just kind of was waiting for the gunshots to stop. And meanwhile, her fellow officers are getting shot at. So I'm not too impressed with her on that. Overall, as a unit, I think they did a pretty good job. I'm going to give them a B- for the reasons I stated. But otherwise, your adrenaline starts pumping when you start hearing those gunshots. And I can understand getting a little worried, but you chose to be a police officer, so you've got to get into the fight. You've got to take care of your fellow officers and look out for their best interest. And retreating, I don't know, I didn't agree with it at all. Anyway, I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know down below. What do you think? What would you have given him? What grade? Thank you all for being here. We just hit 250 subscribers. That's a huge accomplishment, and I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Truly, I really appreciate it. I hope you all keep coming back for more, because tomorrow I'm releasing another video, because I do these every single day. All right, see ya.